Good morning children. Today we are going to learn semester 2 chapter 15 area and perimeter. Area is the amount of plane surface enclosed within a boundary. Let us observe and learn. The space enclosed by the boundary of the stamp is less than the space enclosed by the boundary of the envelope. Likewise, the space enclosed by the envelope is less than space enclosed by the blackboard. So we say area of stamp is less than area of envelope and area of envelope is less than area of the blackboard. Likewise, you see space enclosed by the boundary of the coin is less than space enclosed by the boundary of the clock. So area of the coin is less than area of the clock. Now coming to the area of geometrical figures. Here square and rectangle. Coming to the rectangle, here we shall learn how it is. What is this area of rectangle? To find the area of a rectangle, what we have to do? We have to multiply the number of squares covered by the length. This is length with the number of squares covered by the breadth. This is breadth. See here the formula they have given. Area of a rectangle is equal to length into breadth square units. And these units how we will measure? The standard unit to measure line segment is centimeter or meter. The standard unit for area is square units. So square centimeter or we can say it as square meter. Okay, likewise, if we say the area of a square, okay, in a square, the length of each side is equal. So, to find the area of a square, we'll multiply the number of squares covering any two sides, that is length and the breadth. Okay, only the two sides we will calculate. So, here what is the formula? Area of a square is equal to side into side square units. Now see the examples given here in the textbook. First example, find the area of a rectangular field of length 25 meters and breadth 15 meters. So area of a rectangular field 25 into 15. How much here it is? 375 square meters. Okay, and see the second example. Find the area of a square plot of side is 37 meters. So here we are calculating only the two sides, right? So 37 into 37 is equal to how much it is? 1369 square meters. Now find the area of a square of side, that is 10 centimeters. That means we will calculate the two sides, right? So area of a square is equal to 10 into 10. How much it is? 100 square centimeters. Note they have given here the length and breadth have to be in the same units. If units are different, then convert into same units and then find the area. For this they have given one example here. Length of a field is 2750 centimeters and its breadth is 8.5 meters. Find the area of the field. So here length they have given in centimeters and breadth they have given in meters. Now we have to convert into meters or centimeters. See here 1 meter is equal to how much? 100 centimeters. So see here 1 centimeter is equal to 1 divided by 100 meters. Right. Likewise 1 square centimeter is equal to 1 by 100 into 100 square meters. Okay. So coming to the example, method 1, see here, length is 2750 centimeters and breadth is 8.5 meters. So, 8.5 into 100 centimeters, then answer is 850 centimeters. And area, the formula is length into breadth square centimeters. So, here 2750 into 850. Square centimeters, if we multiply, then the answer is 23,37,500 square centimeters, or we can write it as 23,37,500 divided by 100 into 100 square meters. Then if we cancel all these zeros and divide, then the answer is 233.75 square meters. Okay, now this is a bit we find it as a long process. Now we shall see the simple method. Now see the method 2. Length is how much? 2750 centimeters. So divide by 100 meters. Then how much we will get? 27.50 meters. And breadth 8.5 meters. So what is the formula for this? Area is equal to length into breadth square meters. Right? So 27.50 into 8.5. Then the answer is 233.75 square meters. Okay. Now let us do it. Find the area of a rectangle with the following measurements. Length and breadth they have given here. A bit. See here 3 centimeters and 5 centimeters. Then 3 into 5 is 15 square centimeters, right? So likewise you do the rest of the sums. And now second question. Find the area of a square having sides. That means only 2 sides we will calculate, right? So 10 centimeters into 10 centimeters, how much it is? 100 square centimeters. Likewise, see the other example. C bit. 13 meters into 13 meters, that is equal to 169 square meters. So you do rest of the sums. Now third bit. Read, think and solve. Here see. The length of a school playground is 82 meters and its breadth is 53 meters. Find its area. So how we will do? Multiplication, length into breadth. So 82 into 53, that is equal to 4,346 square meters. So rest of the sums you do it on your own in the notebooks neatly with the working columns. Now we shall see perimeter of a geometrical figures. Perimeter is the length of the boundary of a polygon is called the perimeter of the polygon. The distance around a polygon is its perimeter. So perimeter of a polygon is equal to the sum of all the sides that make the polygon. So here perimeter is the length of the outer boundary or the sum of all the sides that make the polygon. Now we shall see here perimeter of a square. Perimeter of a square is the sum of the length of all 4 sides are equal. So what is the formula for this? Perimeter of a square is equal to 4 into side centimeters, right? See here in the textbook the example. If the side of the square is 5 centimeters, square means all the 4 sides are equal. So if the side of the square is 5 centimeters, then perimeter is 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5. That is equal to 4 into 5. How much it is? 20 centimeters. Right? So now you see the perimeter of a rectangle. Perimeter of a rectangle we can find by adding the length of all 4 sides. That means see here the opposite sides of a rectangle are equal. See here opposite sides of a rectangle are equal. Perimeter of a rectangle is equal to 2. That means length plus breadth. So perimeter of a triangle. See here perimeter of any closed polygon is the sum of all its sides. That is outer boundary. So here what we call perimeter is equal to A plus B plus C and the units. Okay. Now let us observe and learn. Find the perimeter of a square of side 6.5 centimeters. So square means all the four sides are equal. So 4 into 6.5. How much it is? 26 centimeters it is. 26 centimeters is the answer. Likewise, you see the second question. Find the perimeter of a rectangular field of length 35 meters and breadth 11 meters. So here, what is the formula for this rectangle? 2 into length plus breadth. That is 35 plus 11 into 2. 35 plus 11 is how much? 46. Into 2, 92 meters. So the perimeter of a rectangle is 92 meters. Likewise, you see the third example. A man walks around a square park of side 25 meters. So how much distance does he walk if he goes 2 times around the park? Now we shall see distance around the park is equal to perimeter of the square park. So perimeter means here how many square park, in the sense 4 sides, right? All the 4 sides of a square is equal. So 4 into 25 meters, that is 100 meters. So 1 time around the park is 100 meters. So 2 times means 2 into 100 meters. Then how it is? The answer is, if we multiply 2 into 100 meters, then answer is 200 meters. So the man covered the distance or walked the distance is how much? 200 meters. Okay. Now we shall see one more example here. Find the perimeter of the following. See here, they have given in A bit 3 centimeters, 4.5 centimeters and 5.5 centimeters. So what we have to do here? Some line segments measures are not given, but they can be found out using the parallel and equal sides that are given. See, in these examples, some line segments measures are not given, it seems, but they can be found out using the parallel and equal sides that are given in the pictures. Now we shall see the A bit. Here in this triangle, they have given 3 plus 4.5 plus 5.5. If we add all these 3, first we have to arrange vertically. That is nothing but standing line. See, these are after the decimal, the numbers we call, the digits we call it as 10th position, 100th position and 1000th positions and so on, right? And before the decimal, we will call the values as these digits as the place values. 1's place value, 10's place value, 100's place value and so on. Right. So here they have arranged here 5.5, 4.5, 3. Now first what we have to do? We have to add after the decimals. That means the positions we have to add first. So 5 plus 5 is 10. So 0, carry over 1 to the place value of 1's place value. And now add this. So 1 plus 5 plus 4 plus 3 is 13. So how much the perimeter for this triangle? 13 centimeters. Likewise, B and C bits you can add. Now let us do it here. Find the perimeter of the following. See here, 4.5 centimeters, 5.6 centimeters and 7 centimeters. If we arrange and add, the answer is 17.1 centimeter. Likewise for the B bit. Okay. And C, D, E, F, all these things you do it on your own. See here, these are simple addition and these are just add and then multiply. Length plus breadth you will add and then multiply by 2. Here square means any 2 sides, right? So 3.6 centimeters into 4. All the 4 sides are equal, right? So multiply this one. 3.6 into 4. So these two are additions. You do it on your own. Now you see here the next question, read, think and solve. A rectangular playground is 100 meters long and 75 meters wide. If Rita jogs around it 3 times, how much distance does she jog? Give the answer in kilometers. They have given hint for us. 1 meter is equal to 1000 kilometers. Solution we shall see here. Area of a ground is 100 into 75. That is 7500 meters. Rita jogs 3 times. So 3 into area of the ground. That is 3 into 7500. That equal to 22,500 meters. Right. So convert meters into kilometers. Now how we will do? 22,500 meters divided by 1000 kilometers. Then the answer is 22.5 kilometers. So Rita jogged for 22.5 kilometers. Likewise, rest of the 2 sums you do it on your own with the working columns. Okay, see here. What is the length of wire required to fence a square field which is of side 50 meters? Fence relates to perimeter here. So here 50 into 4. Here what they told? Square. Right. So square means 4 sides are equal. So 50 into 4, how much it is? 200 meters of wire required. Or we can add also 50 plus 50 plus 50 plus 50. Then it is 200 meters. Right. Likewise the C bit. Length into breadth. You multiply this here. A compound wall is to build around a rectangular garden of length 205 meters and breadth 75 meters. Find the total length of the wall to be built. That means what we will do? We have to multiply length into breadth. Because 2 sides we are calculating. Opposite sides are equal. So 205 meters into 75 meters. You find out the answer. I am not going to tell you. Okay. Fine. Thank you children. Stay safe. Take care.